The 2026 Ferrari 296 GTB EV is expected to be priced starting at $300,000. As a luxury electric sports car, this price reflects the exceptional performance and advanced technology offered, making it a top choice for Ferrari enthusiasts. The 2026 Ferrari 296 GTB EV retains the iconic sporty design with sharp lines and a lightweight composite body. Modern LED headlights add a futuristic touch, while aerodynamic improvements optimize efficiency and stability at high speeds. Equipped with the latest solid-state battery technology, the Ferrari 296 GTB EV offers a range of over 500 kilometers on a single charge. The fast-charging technology allows for an 80% charge in less than 30 minutes, ensuring convenience for long-distance travel. With over 800 horsepower from two electric motors, the Ferrari 296 GTB EV can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in under 2.5 seconds. Featuring an all-wheel drive system, this car offers outstanding traction and a responsive, stable driving experience. The interior of the Ferrari 296 GTB EV 2026 showcases premium materials such as leather and metal accents. The latest infotainment system with a large touchscreen and intuitive interface, along with autonomous driving technology, ensures maximum comfort while driving. The car is equipped with driver monitoring systems and 360-degree sensors. Advanced autonomous driving features allow the vehicle to automatically avoid hazards, providing enhanced comfort and safety on the road.